this is delicious. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, this right here. So today I'll be showing you how we prepare one of the most delicious sauces around. Sauce. So today I'll be preparing taro leaves. Way more different than the first time I made it, but hey, this is delicious. It's something that is so addictive that you want to eat it over and over again because it's just so nice. So please, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, share this video, like, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So let's go into it. So for this recipe, I'll need freshly picked taro leaves, groundnut paste, silverfish, and combo. I'll start by harvesting taro leaves from the garden. I'll then organize them accordingly. I'll cut the stem off and put it aside, and also the leaves aside. After separating them, I'll then take out the leaves and cut out the big part, just like you're seeing. I'll put it aside and repeat the same process on all the leaves. After taking out the stalk, I'll then pile together the leaves and then start slicing them together into thin layers. Now I'll go ahead and slice the stems too. The greens are now ready. Let's move to the next step. So I'll start by pre-roasting our fish. I'll then soak it in water and then start preparing the groundnuts. So this is a thick paste. I'll pour our water and mix it before adding it in our sauce. So now I'm done preparing everything I'll need. I'll just keep it aside. Right here, the fish right there. So I'll just cover them. I'll come back later for them. In our saucepan, I'll go ahead and add water and then put on fire. So right here we have combo. This is a mixture made from ash. If you want to know how to make it, check our previous video. You'll learn how to make combo. So I'll go ahead and pour in. That's enough. So I've washed it twice. Now I'll go ahead and put in the saucepan. So I'm washing it twice because it's from the garden. This is not dirt, it's the color from the leaves themselves. Now I'll cover and let it come to boil. I'll then go ahead and put the onions now. Just mix them. So you can see when you add combo in your greens, they don't lose color, they stay just green like that. I'll now add in the fish. We pre-roast the fish to get that nice flavor that comes out of it. So right now our greens are ready. I'll go ahead and add in salt. and then pour in the groundnut sauce. So you can see the leaves are still green, very nice green, just because of that mixture. So right now I've finished adding in everything. I'll just cover it and let it cook. So after adding the groundnuts, you need to be nearby to give it a simple stir, because it can easily overflow. Look at how it looks like. This sauce is just so yummy. It's one of my go-to things. I just love it. I really love it. Well, our sauce has been cooking for a while. Oops. Look. So I love the fact that our greens didn't turn color. Just taste and see if the salt is enough. So just add a little more salt. At this stage you can add chili, but because there are children around, so I'll not be adding chili. But as for me, I really love chili. I would have put in mine. Look at the color. This is one of my best. It is one of my best sauces actually. I really love it. I almost make it at least once every week. And then when it's for dinner, I serve and then keep mine for another day. So at least I have it twice a week. Just look at that. I just feel like eating right now. Oh, yum. It's amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.